Morning, sir. Today I'm gonna explain topic about air pollution from ships and explain ways how to prevent air pollution. Air pollution from ships has emerged as a significant environment all concern given the crucial role maritime transportation plays in global trade. The emission released by ships, including sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter, contribute to poor air and quality, pose to health risks both coastal communities and marine ecosystems. To mitigate the impact of ship-conducted air pollution, several effective prevention measures can be implemented. First, transition to cleaner fuels is a pivotal step. Ships traditionally rely on heavy fuel oils, notorious for high sulfur content. Switching to alternatives such as liquefied natural gas or LNG or low sulfur fuels significantly reduces harmful emissions. This shift aligns with international efforts to enforce stricter regulations on fuel quality, promoting a cleaner and greener maritime industry. Another key strategy involves the adoption of exhaust gas cleaning systems, commonly known as scrubbers. These systems act as a filter for ships' emissions, reducing sulfur content and particulate matter before released into the atmosphere. Ships equipped with scrubbers demonstrate commitment to compliance with emission standard, contributing to a cleaner air in port or cities and coastal regions. Enhancing energy efficiency is equally vital in the quest to prevent air pollution from ships. Innovative ships designs, advanced propulsion systems, and optimized routes all contribute to reducing fuel consumption and minimizing emissions. Retrofitting existing vessels for provide energy efficiency ensures a sustainable and eco-friendly approach to maritime transportation.